black comb.
Black comb.
When the comb gets old by about 3 or 4 years and it goes black, it makes good worm food for tiger worms. So if you've got a worm farm, put it in there, make sure it's covered so wax moths don't get into it, and they'll break it down and make it into fantastic fertiliser.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about black comb and how it's formed?
The reason why it's such good fertiliser is because it's faecal matter from the larvae before it cocoons. So it has a big poo and wipes it all around the inside of the comb, which is why the comb gets thicker over a period of time and inhibits the size of the bees, which is a good way of getting rid of it, and also they spread disease if we've got disease.
So what happens if you don't get rid of this black comb?
Black comb just becomes inefficient for the bees. And if you were to see a naturally occurring bee colony, say in a cave or some other structure, you'll see that the bees actually move along and they leave the old black comb behind. And then wax moth get into it and break it all down, and it drops to the floor. What's left of it, and they keep making new comb. And they'll move across and they'll come back.
What happens to the black comb that's in the honey?
That's not an issue. It's the honey still stays like honey.
Yeah.
No, there's no sort of E. coli issues or aesthetic issues.
Or taste issues?
Or taste issues. No. Also, the fecal material is used as a reinforcement in when they cover the cells for the larvae. Before the larvae emerge, the bees seal it over, and that's reinforced. So it's reinforced in the wax too, when they cover the honey. So when you get wax from the honey, and you're processing that wax, it looks like it's going to be really clean wax, but you'll get a whole lot of black stuff with it, and that's fecal material too, because they use it as sort of like a binder in the wax, like a fibre in cement. Same idea. So pretty smart how they figured all that out. I don't know who told them, but it's a good argument against evolution because they've got the technology. Someone or something must have given them the technology.